Welcome back. Okay, so you swipe it on several times a day. You've even bought specialty brands that are supposed to hold up to the Houston heat, but you still sweat excessively. You won't need antiperspirant after this procedure. Here to explain, please welcome back dermatologist Dr. Samantha Robert-Stout from the Dermatological Association of Texas, along with Cynthia Salazar. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you.
Okay, so we are hitting that time of year where we sweat even more than normal. But when does somebody, you look at someone and say, okay, this is not normal?
So there's only about 2% of the population that technically suffers from hyperhidrosis, where they're sweating under circumstances that they shouldn't be sweating. The room is cold, they don't have any emotional stimuli, and they're still sweating. But it's not normal, or it's not acceptable if somebody's uncomfortable with the amount that they're sweating, and that's when we really decide to treat.
Yeah, and Cynthia, you started noticing that when you would sweat, it would be no matter what you were doing, it just wasn't.
Yes, that could just be driving or standing in the gym without even working out yet, and I have like this big just gump of sweat in my shirt.
Yeah,
you know?
Yeah, and I know there was times when I would like actually put paper towels under my arms because you're like, okay, let me just soak that up because I was sweating so much. No, it was crazy. I'd be walking around going, hey, how are you? Right? Because you'd have these sweat rings there. Yeah, because it would be embarrassing. But did you think there was anything you could do about it? And how many things were you buying to try to get rid of the problem?
Well, at the time, I'm just thinking, oh, this is normal. You know, everyone sweats, and then you go to your class or you're in school and no one else is sweating.
Yeah. You got something going on under your arms right there.
And, you know, having to wear white shirts, you can't even wear white shirts because, you know, you have like a stain or, again, you're just keep sweating.
Well, I asked you during the commercial break, would you have worn that shirt?
No, I would have not, because it's a breezy shirt. Obviously it picks up moisture real well, but I probably would not have worn it.
You would have had the sweat ring in your arm, which, by the way, I'm looking right now and I don't see a sweat ring right there. Okay, so again, there's those specialty deodorants out there that they swear they can take care of the problem. You probably even use the one made for men, right? Yeah, because you kept thinking it's stronger if it's made for men. But what procedure did you do to help stop that?
So MiraDry is our newest procedure for underarm sweating, and it's the first thing that is a permanent solution. It takes microwave technology, actually eliminates the sweat glands in the armpit area, and permanently resolves excessive sweating.
Wow. Okay, so of course the body sweats for a reason, so no adverse effects with it not sweating?
So underarms only have less than 2% of your body sweat glands. They're not necessary for temperature regulation.
Okay. Some other things that you have that are available, things like the CoolMini. And so we can take care of every part of our body today and do it. Of course, the goal is, okay, look at that right there. Okay, so if you're having some like little heavy chin action going on right there, tell us about what this is.
So these results are really impressive, and this is actually, so there are several treatments that we have that are relatively new for submental fullness, or that fat underneath the chin area that ages us to some degree. The CoolMini is an application device for CoolSculpting that actually freezes the fat under the chin, and it handles a large amount of fat in that area. The fat dies.
Keeps it nice and tight and stuff too.
The fat dies. And then Kybella is another thing that you can do in conjunction with that for smaller amounts of fat. That's an injection of deoxycholic acid that dissolves fat cells. Both of these are permanent solutions, and they can be used in conjunction with each other to get a really excellent cosmetic result.
I hear people in the audience whispering. They're like going, hey, hey, that's what I want right there. And then Ultherapy.
Yeah, and Ultherapy is a tightening procedure that uses ultrasound technology to actually tighten underneath the skin, the connective tissue, and provide the lift. So with Kybella, you get a little bit of lift as well, but if there's still a little excess skin, it's like a non-surgical facelift to do Ulthera.
The dermatologist is about more than acne treatment, isn't it? There's all kinds of things going on right here. All right, so just back to you and the whole sweating thing. A lot less now. Life is a lot easier now.
Yes, I can buy white shirts now. And I'm not embarrassed to go to the gym and be in class and worry about, you know, am I dripping sweat, or is there a waterfall coming down my arms?
And so, like, even through the summer months?
Yes.
You're good. Oh, wow. This is good. Okay.
So in the studies for Ulthera, I've just mentioned that at 18 months, almost 100% of patients were satisfied with the results after doing, I'm sorry, not the Ulthera, the MiraDry, like Cynthia did. So very effective treatment.
All right. So you have some things that you've brought here, too, that you wanted to mention.
Okay, so one thing about Adera, which is our medical spa associated with my practice, is that we do have our own product line that a lot of patients really enjoy. a lot of our products, like the green tea cleanser, have antioxidants and botanicals that help with the overall radiance of skin. We have exfoliators that just help to polish the skin. Just a really good product line, and it can be tailored to each patient. And a consultation for cosmetic products at Adara is free.
All right. Love it. That way you get specifically what you need for your skin. Get $400 off your first MiraDry treatment and 20% off any SPF product in their online store. You must order by May 31st. To place your order or for more information, log on to houstonskin.com/store, houstonskin.com/store, and to make your appointment, call 281-333-DERM. That works out to be 281-333-3376.